How to care for a Dracaena, a very common green plant found in garden centers. If Dracaenas are very popular in garden centers, it is undoubtedly due to their trunks. In fact, these trunks are large cuttings, often arranged in groups of 3. Another advantage of Dracaenas is that it is a plant that grows very little. When you place it in your apartment, you can be fairly certain that you will hardly ever need to use your pruner. It is a plant that tolerates normal apartment temperatures well, between 18 and 24 degrees Celsius, but the temperature can drop to 13 degrees Celsius or even rise to 24 or 25 degrees Celsius. Dracaenas can be placed on the balcony during the summer, provided they are set up in the shade. In an apartment, they like light, but definitely not direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. As for watering, they should be watered twice a week in summer and once during winter. We always add a little fertilizer so that it continues to grow well. For that, you will use a houseplant fertilizer. In principle, during summer, we water every other time with fertilizer, or we add a tiny drop of fertilizer, meaning we will reduce the dose prescribed by the manufacturer by half or even by a third, which we will mix in the water, and practically with every watering we can provide them with a bit of fertilizer. Often in apartments, especially during winter, we lack humidity. For that, I recommend placing your Dracaena pot on clay balls, putting water in the saucer, meaning that the base of the pot barely soaks in the moisture in the water, and the humidity will rise all around the plant, which will help prevent the Dracaena's leaves from scorching. Regarding the care of the Dracaena, simply remove the leaves. So, we remove the leaves gradually along the trunk, and we notice that since it is a 3-year-old Dracaena marginata, the trunks are elongating. So there is a possibility to cut them to make them much more bushy. For that, you use pruning shears. You carefully cut the trunk, and where you have cut the stem, 3 new shoots will be able to begin their growth. You can carefully place this same cutting directly in a pot, or just like these large cuttings, you use this stem, plant it in a pot, and it will regrow from the base. Or simply, you remove the leaves at the bottom. With your pruning shears, you cut the leaves and you replant this Dracaena directly in a pot, or why not at the base. Dracaenas, like many green plants, can be attacked by mealybugs, aphids, or mites. And for that, I suggest occasionally doing a good cleaning before having any infestations. You use approximately 1 liter of warm water, why not rainwater, a tablespoon of black soap. Inside, we mix the black soap with the water. With just a sponge, we soak it with this black soap and water solution, and we will do a thorough and good cleaning on the leaves, both on top and underneath. We can even carefully clean the trunks. With the same sponge, black soap will prevent insect attacks. And then to finish, know that Dracaenas typically need to be repotted. They are ready to be repotted when the roots go under the pot.